If you're looking to start a dropshipping video, I have the most important tips you will ever need in this video right here. My name is Ryan. I started dropshipping 6-7 years ago, and my business now will do $3 to $5 million in sales just this year alone. And I've done over $7 million of sales on the internet. So trust me, I know a little bit about dropshipping, and I started a dropshipping store literally last week, a completely new brand from scratch, and we already have sales as of yesterday. So watch this video. So for example purposes, we're gonna be using my business right here, Beyond Braid, showing you the website, what it all entails to make your products actually sell. So when we hop into this website, we're just gonna go directly to the product page. The number one most important thing is your product page has to actually look good. Don't worry about the website. You can tighten it up and make it very simple, but the simple product page needs to look legit. So this is where I actually drive 99% of my traffic is to this product page right here. And here are the most important aspects that you need. You need really crispy and clean images with high saturation to show bright colors, right? So you can see I've taken really good pictures of my product. Now, in order to successfully sell and drop ship a product, order the product you want to sell off of Amazon and get it to your house in a day or two to take pictures of it and videos of it with your cell phone or your camera or whatever you have. You need to have the product physically in hand because the AliExpress pictures that are on the website of AliExpress.com, they don't cut it anymore. That shit does not work anymore. You need to have a little bit of a higher quality picture, and you're gonna make videos, which goes into my very next point. When you scroll down on my product page, I have 2 videos right here. And one of these videos was a little bit more professionally made, and the other was not so professionally made. This one was very simple. It was filmed on an iPhone by my girlfriend, very simply put, if my computer wants to load. So this was filmed on cinematic mode with my iPhone, just very simple filming, and I was just talking about the picture. So let's say you wanted to sell a mouse for an Apple computer, really cool mouse. You need to get the product yourself and make videos of yourself using the product and saying how cool it is. You need to get in front of the camera and be the face of the brand so people can be like, wow, there's a real person selling this item. I can see the item in the video and it's not some BS. So my number 1 and 2 tips is to find the product you're already selling. Go buy it on Amazon because I guarantee you it's there, or at least a variation of it is there. Buy the product and go make videos and pictures of it yourself, so then you can put them on your website, on your landing page, just like this, right? See how I have videos and pictures that I've all taken myself. Every picture you see on this website, I've taken myself, and I suck at photography, gotten better over the years, but I'm still not that great, right? This all can be done with an iPhone. So as long as you have pictures and videos that give your visitors that come to the website trust, they see videos of the product actually being used, they see real pictures, they don't see mock-ups, right? That is what's gonna sell the product. And as of last week, the dropshipping store that I just started, we didn't have any of this before. We just tried to scrape together, me and my buddy we're doing it together. We tried to put it together and it just wasn't working. And I said, you know what? We need to buy the product on Amazon. We need to make our own ads. We need to put videos on the product landing page like I showed you and take some of our own pictures. And as soon as we did that, the very next day, the new ads we created with our iPhones converted, and the videos we put on the website, I guarantee you helped it convert. The next tip I wanna give you is the description. The description should be short and concise and broken up into bullet points just like this. If you have long paragraphs, no one's gonna sit there and take the time to read a long paragraph. See how you can see on my website, cast further, last longer, no stretch, blue camo, moss camo, low memory, abrasion resistant. The bold letters in the bullet points just call out exactly what the customer needs to know. If I group that all together and it's just one big paragraph, it's not going to sell shit. That customer is gonna go bounce and they're gonna go buy somewhere else. Another thing that's a must is you need to have reviews on this landing page. Now, this product, as you can see, I've been selling it for a while, so I have a lot of reviews. You can very easily import reviews with Ali reviews or Luke's, Shopify product reviews. You can create your own reviews. There's a million ways to actually get reviews on your landing page, but you can see just how much more trustworthy the page looks when you see a bunch of reviews and a bunch of customers with pictures. You can even steal the reviews off Amazon with the product that you want to sell and post them on your website. That's going to make it a lot more trustworthy. The whole goal here is you have to make your website trustworthy enough to earn a conversion, earn a purchase for a customer. And the best way to do that is go to your website, look at it yourself and say, does this look good enough that I would buy for it myself? And if the answer is no, you're not going to sell anything. Don't even waste money driving traffic and spending ads to that website, because it's not going to work. I literally guarantee it. And then last but not least, this is not necessary, but if you can get some nice infographics of a picture, you can make these on Canva. I made these on Canva with very little graphic design experience, just showing the product in use and showing the product features. So all of these infographics are these bullet points just explained out in picture form, because a lot of the times people don't like to read. They just want to read with their eyes and in pictures. And you're going to put those infographics both in the description on the bottom and in the photos at the top. That way your landing page is just absolutely full of information selling the product. All of these little touch points are more information to sell the customer, the visitor on the website, to convert. That is the whole goal. They need to convert and purchase. Now, if you already have a Shopify store up and running, go watch this video where I show you all of the apps that I'm using on my 7-figure Shopify store. If you got some value, like and subscribe. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.